Hey nail fam, I hope that you are well. I did receive a package from AZURE Beauty. It is a dip powder collection. I will be unboxing these for you guys and doing a quick nail design.
The view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah. I like the view. I like the view.
All right, so let's take everything out of the package, which is very simple and straightforward. Clear packaging, and then there is a little information pamphlet to the back, which doubles as their branding as well. So we have AZURE Beauty dip powder set, and big and bold, it doesn't come with any base or top coat. So it's just letting you know that there are no liquids included and to definitely purchase your own. Here's a step-by-step instruction on how to apply the product. So here are all of the beautiful colors, and this is a nude collection. So they did allow me to pick out which colors that I wanted, and I didn't have a nude, so I wanted to focus on getting really nude colors. I'm going to say nude 10,000 times in this video. So I'm going to take each one out one by one and give you a quick glimpse of the color as well as the number on top, and then we will get into some swatching. I also wanted to mention that this is an Amazon kit, so you are able to find this kit on Amazon. I will have it linked down in the description box. They do have a variety of different colors other than this nude collection. So if you wanted different colors, definitely go ahead and check the brand out. I actually really enjoyed using these products in today's video, as you will see. So when I take the seals off, the plastic seal, sorry, and then I open the lid, you can see that there is a protector in here, which is really nice. Usually other brands usually just have that plastic, little foam thing, but this one has a protector. And I'm giving it a little tap, and it's not fast and it's not slow. It's right in the middle. So that alone tells me that it's going to go on really nicely. All right. As mentioned, this did not come with any liquids, so I'm going to go ahead and use the liquids that I have. I'm going to apply it onto my swatch stick, and then we are just going to dip into this and just let's kind of test to see how good these tip powders are. Some of them can go on really chunky and then they just leave a bunch of ridges, and then some of them go on really well, but they're translucent a little bit. And then you have these ones that went on really well. There's no streaks, no translucency, giving me good coverage there. Well impressed with these powders. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch each one of these colors on camera just so that you can see how gorgeous and easy they went on, even though I'm using liquids from a different brand. All right, so that was like a sandy brown, tan brown, and here we have a white now. White is one of those colors that goes on really chalky, really thick. Is always very tricky with the whites. Tapping off the excess here, and voila, it went on perfectly, like no chalkiness, no nothing. I was so excited for these powders. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet just for a few minutes and then let you continue to watch me swatch these gorgeous colors. Now this one is a really pretty pink. I feel like I've tried to make this color before, so this one is absolutely beautiful. It's a perfect nude color that you could wear by yourself. Well, this is nice. We seem to have a beautiful glitter one inside here, and this seems to be the only glitter in this collection, which is also fine. You know, a nude collection, you expect to have a bunch of, you know, solid color nude colors. And I was really, really excited for this glitter. It just looks so pretty. It has like a mixture of pinky red and peach undertones, and then there's some fine silver glitter in here. It's such a pretty color. I'm definitely going to have to use that color by itself, all right? Let's finish off these last few colors before we get into the nail design. So here is a final look at these swatch sticks whilst they are drying. I will apply some activator and some top coat off camera. Just wanted to give you a close-up look, and here is the final look of them once I have added that little top coat. And as you can see, generally they all look absolutely amazing, beautiful colors. So for my nail design, I did pick out a few colors, which was that beautiful pinky and the white, and then I have this glitter one here just to see if I'm able to pull off a nail design with all three. I don't actually end up using the glitter one anyway. So we are going to be doing some dip nails, obviously, and I'm going to be doing the base gel method because that's the method that is most easiest for me. And dip liquids, sometimes they just, the smell just gets to me at times. So if I can avoid them, I will. So let's get started applying these colors to my nails. Firstly, starting off with a layer of base gel over my entire nail. All right, once I'm done applying that layer of base gel, and while it is still wet, we're going to go ahead and take our dip powder and just apply it over all of the nails. And I absolutely love this color. It is such a pretty nude color that you can wear by itself, by yourself, with any outfit. Look at how stunning that color is. Such a beautiful color. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the other nails. Right, once the nails have been cured for about 60 seconds under the UV lamp, I'm now just going to go in and remove that excess powder by using a scrub brush over all of the nails, and then we'll go in with a second layer. I'm literally going to be doing the exact same thing, which is apply a layer of base gel over the entire nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my dipping powders to the wet base gel. Once that second layer of base gel and dipping powder has been cured, I will then dust off that excess powder again, and then we're going to go in with a third layer of base gel. And this third layer of base gel we are going to cure after we are done because we're not adding any more dipping powders. So here's how they look once they've been cured. And now I'm going to go ahead and scrub this white dipping powder onto the nails So essentially I'm trying to do like a baby boomer, a ombre, a white ombre kind of nail design. So you're going to take a little dusting brush, dip into that dipping powder, and we're just going to go ahead and scrub that white dip powder onto the tip of the nail. Now, as you are scrubbing this white dip powder onto the tip of the nail, you will find that you might need 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. It all depends on how white you want them. And after you're done and you're satisfied with how they look, try to remove any excess dust off of the top of the nail surface. Try to remove any, if you see any like balls of powder balled up or caked up onto the nail, try to remove that off. And then we're going to go in with a layer of top coat over this nail. Now, before I cure this top coat onto this nail, I do want to go in with a little bit of gold flakes. Currently obsessed with gold flakes at the minute. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a few designs with gold flakes included in it. So just brace yourself for that. So whilst that top gel is still wet, I'm going to go in with my gold flakes, just taking a few pieces and putting that in here. I will be going in with some flower stickers. So that's why I need to cure this now, because I'm going to go in with a second layer of top coat as well. So that's why I'm doing this. So here is the flower stickers that I'm going to be using, and I got these from Shein. I'm just going to take a few of the flower stickers and we're going to stick them on different areas of this nail. And this nail really, when I started doing this, I didn't have a name for it, but after I was done, I was like, this reminds me of a wet garden. And the sun was setting while I was doing my nails, so I was really rushing, trying to catch that golden hour photo before the sunset. So I was just kind of trying to hurry up, get everything done so I could catch it. So my cuticles definitely needed a little bit more work. I could have taken my time and filed a little bit more, but I'm really glad I caught the sunset, because at the time of me doing this voiceover now, there's no sun. It's raining again. So, you know, I got to try to catch the sun, guys. All right. Sticking on the flowers onto the nails, pressing them down really good. Then we're going to go in with a final layer of top gel over all of the nails. Now, I did have these charms here. These like some bee charms, I think bee or wasps or some sort of insect. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of this top coat. As I was applying this top coat, because remember we already put on a set of, I think that was the Model 1's top coat, I think. So I would go in with this super top coat from Credio, and as I was applying it, it started like, you know, when water is drying up and it has like little surface holes on it. And as it was drying up, I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. It reminds me of a wet look. So I left it on to give the nails some sort of wet look. And then afterwards, I kind of just, you know, caught the sun. So here is the final look of these nails. I did file everything afterwards, but like I said, I was trying to catch the sunset. So here's the final look of these nails, guys. I hope you enjoyed this really fun tutorial. Again, thank you to AZURE Beauty for sending these products over for me to review. I will see you guys in the next one.